Hello, hi Angel, I'm Fanny, so nice to meet you, welcome, congratulations and thank you for getting the Metatrons Vibes painting workshop. Okay, let me fix this camera a little bit so you get some light here. Okay, so I hope you will love the painting workshop. Whether you have never done a mandala before or don't know about the Dottyism technique, you will be learning all this step by step from the very beginning. Everything I've learned throughout years of my life into the techniques of painting, how to create a mandala, a design, and working around the Metatrons cube, which is one of the most energetic sacred geometry symbol, and some other versions of it, right? To show all the different possibilities and inspiration. And during this workshop, I will show you a lot of my inspiration, so what you can use, the tools, recommend some people as well, references, oracle cards and ideas and stuff like that that will help you find the inspiration. So I wanted to record this special session as well, so I hope you watch this as you're here completing your purchase, because I want to show you the paintings you're going to be doing and how not only you will realize that it's not just about painting. It's not just about painting, it's about opening your creative channel and being more conscious of your intuition, of the messages, the symbols that, you know, that life talks to you all the time, and you develop. I'm going to give you a little tour, okay? Because you develop this eye for colors and everything, and because you trusted me to be your art teacher, I want to tell you one of the secrets, the biggest secrets I have discovered through the painting, and it's in one word, it's alchemy. Alchemy. So this session of videos that started for painting those, I'm going to give you a tour while we're talking. So this is a bigger artwork. Okay, so for example, this is something that we did during, there was 3 weeks here with my best friend, and she came here and we started painting that. She loved it. Look how beautiful and precious it is, and how when the colors mix together, you create this alchemy, okay? And with the frame. And so everything has a meaning. You will realize the alchemy is how you put two things next to each other, how they respond to each other, what energy it creates. Like Dean always says, one mind plus another mind creates a third mind. And so one energy plus another energy creates a new energy, a new frequency. So everything you have around you, depending on your own frequency, you will have a different interpretation. Okay, so this is why during the workshops, I always show you many options of the way you can envision a design or a topic, and they're all as beautiful. And this flower of life, for example, the flower of life, that is a symbol of creation. And so while you will be painting, you will realize that all this will start unlocking in your life. It's going to become so magical that it really has become a full mastermind. Like, it's been months of painting, of thinking, or experimenting, you know, developing tools and stuff like that with the oracles and the crystals. And I'm going to show you some of it today. I'm going to go a quick 10 minutes video maybe. And so if you want to go further, now that you're going to go get your painting supplies and start painting, following the training, the Metatrons Vibes, you have to do this workshop. It's amazing. It's secrets about life. And right now I'm pulling a card from, where is the booklet? Oh yeah. The Journey to the Goddess Realm by Lisa Porter. Journey to the Goddess Realm. So during all the sessions, I always use an oracle card or crystals. And so my offer for you today is to subscribe for the Angel Pack. The Angel Pack, which is the continuation of the Metatrons Mastermind. The Metatron Masterminds, the Metatron Cube is about creating connections. Connections in the brain, connections in your life, and in the geometry, of course, and in the within yourself as well, because it's all a meditative and introspection work. So I would like to send you a treasure box with crystals, with oracles, with paintings from me, and 2 extra workshops. The Journey to Love, which is a must see. It is the first workshop that I recorded here with my friend Teresa, and the Summer Vibes workshop, which is another landscape workshop that I'm painting in the south of France this summer during an amazing exhibition, and there's pictures from the exhibition and stuff. So it shows you really all the stages. The Angel Pack, you have all the workshops in one pack, and the crystals, the oracles, the paintings, like everything. Did you see how I toured my room and how what's behind me? You see how the energy, the crystals, they all create this synergy and they respond to you, they amplify. Okay, if you look at these crystals, for example, how the light reflects on them, you can see. Look at this. You can see how powerful, how connected they are, you know. And I kept seeing 2 pyramids. And and the white pyramid, right? And the white pyramid. And I have it. You see, so all the crystals that I put in this Angel Pack, in this treasure box, they are all unique and special. They come from anywhere in the world. Okay, just like a tree. That you see, the roots anywhere they can grow and connect. Okay, it's the life is a miracle. When I see a tree on a rock like this, it's always the first words that come to my mind is miracle, because it shows you that nature always finds a way. And this is an ocean jasper, very beautiful crystal. So in every pack you will have a wand, okay, a crystal wand that is made by a healer creator. This one, look at this wand, it's the first one. The first time I saw a wand, I was really that incredible. I just so powerful. This is like the new technology, you know, iPhone. It's like you have the answer before you think, you even start typing, you know, and so incredible. And this is like my wand, dragonfly. So you will have one of these wands, and it can come with, and it comes with another crystal. So it can be a jewelry, it can be a carved piece, or shaped like the ones that you can see here. Can be a raw piece like this. You see how you can, I just put it like this, right there. So we will have these beautiful crystals. I'll have 2 oracle. So my oracle, the Mother Earth Mandala oracle, and another oracle from one of my favorite artists. So during each session, I pull an oracle. So this is the first card that came. She comes back all the time. She's always here. I keep her for me. And wow, ooh, wow. Okay, I'm having strong messages here, and you see, this is funny because yes, there are topics Okay, I'm going to show you this one. Affirmation, confirmation. And this is really my project for this angel pack, is to continue discussions, continue conversations about cultural topics. So you have 2 extra workshops, you have this treasure box, and it's also creating this community, right? Because during the first mastermind, we developed this network, these connections in all the fields: science, mathematics, poetry, coaching, spiritual development, art, environment, nature, like people from everywhere, you know, that inspire me to paint and that it changed my life. I want you to know about them because I believe you should know about all of them. And so we'll try to do even interviews, and I'm going to record a full session about alchemy. So I've already recorded a session about telepathy, how to use the crystals for telepathy. So this is a gift that I'm making to you today, this first session, because you got you're in the adventure, the Mandala adventure. I'm offering you the first session of the angel pack. So I explain all this, and you can make your decision to know if you want to join. And if you want to join, I will, you can pay in what time. It's $2,222. Wow, all the cards are. Wow, I knew she was gonna. I knew eventually she was gonna come. Isis. And so while I was painting, while I was discovering all this, there are so many incredible things, right? Telepathy in this first pack. So you must do it, but you also should take the angel pack. It's going to be incredible. And so you see how these cards, all these cards that came today, they're very like secretive, very, you know, like the untold things. And that's really once you have discover all the magic, all the mysteries, and the Pandora box like opens, you just don't know what's happening, you know? You're like, wow, there is so much. And so I want us to be able to talk about these and have open conversations as well, where you don't risk to be judged or sued or censored, you know, because we need to talk about that. If we don't talk, then you will feel like it's not legit. It's not legitimate if things happen in your life and no one believes you or no one talks about it, you know. So this is really, I see it's really about, there are a lot of, you know how it's kind of ceremonial. It makes me think of this like ceremonial. It's sunny outside. There is the sun behind, just like me. It's sunny outside. There's this window, but yet you're inside, right? And how the truth wants to come out. This is how I read this. Like, the ceremonial aspect and stuff like needs to be more relaxed and liberated, you see. Isis is super powerful. I have another. And Kuan Yin. Wow, Kuan Yin. It's crazy. Compassion. Kuan Yin, compassion, and Isis, which is funny that I'm showing you these two cards because these are the two oracles from Alana Fairchild. Super famous oracle from Alana Fairchild as well. And she has the dragon as well. So yeah, it's really time that all these knowledges, for example, all the knowledge, the initiation of Isis, of the goddesses, the sacred feminine, the sacred masculine in the pack. You also have two artworks symbolize the union, and this is the new normalcy. It's going to be normalized. So yeah, sharing all about this. I hope you share your paintings. And one thing I wanted to say, of course, I want to thank you, Dean Graciosi, my mentor, and Tony Robbins, my mentor as well, and the mastermind team for the amazing platform and opportunity to have and share all this, because this is so much technical work as well. They guided me all along the way for me to take all this knowledge from years, and in a few months I started all this in recording really in January, and in August I have 3 masterminds already on the platform. So even though sometimes you feel like you're slow, when you look back you realize that small things, add up, and then you can create something beautiful. And so I wanted to show you this. There was this window towards the outside, so I wanted to bring an outdoors element, because the spirit of the minerals is something also that, like the crystals, they are really the spirit of Pachamama. Talks to you all the time, everywhere in the nature. If you take a rock from somewhere, it's everything that you do has an impact, around you, on the environment. And this is why, through decorating the home, bringing colors, developing connections, you can harmonize, the energy and create the new world that you want. And so yeah, I wanted to thank really the mastermind. I recommend that you follow the digital product system, the Project Next, right, with Dean Graciosi and Tony Robbins, because, like I said, if you're painting, it's gonna make you relax, analyze, find your spirituality, find your creativity, inspiration, colors, bring magic to it. And if you have a passion, a work, something that you want to share, they will take you there. They will take you there one step after the other, and I always better at promoting, my friends' work, because I see how much they do for me, and so how much you can do for you as well. And you will find here the magic. You will find here the colors, and I want to show you who gives me the magic, the inspiration in every single of my class. I reference books, I reference oracles, authors, the scientists, and the people who bring me the love, the joy, the mystery, solving the mysteries of the universe and everything. And for me, this is the most important, for that life stays magical, and so this is the team 143, okay, the team 143, who I would love for you to be a part of. That's also the point of this message, is that we are all teachers, we are all students, and we are all teachers. When people come here for the workshop, they teach me all as much from what they do, from what they experience, how they see. They taught me how to teach, because for me, if there is something that that you master, you're really good at, it's completely normal. So you don't really think of putting it into words and explain it all, because it's logical. So with people's question when they come here, how do we do that? And this is how I could put in these few hours directly all the technicals, all the things, so you can focus more time on the creativity. And you can do this with your friends as well. Please invite your friends to do the workshop with you, or recommend one of my workshops or one of my products as well, that you can find on pachamamart.org, or follow me on Instagram, the.whisperer, or Facebook, Pachamamart. Okay, my brand is Pachamamart, the art of Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is everywhere. Like I said, it's in they use the astrology for the architecture. Okay, we need mathematics for the music. We need the geometry for the science. I mean, it's everything. It's everything. Everything is connected. So I know I repeat myself a lot, but the team, knowing that you're never alone, reconnecting with your angels, with this telepathic, the heart, the energy of the heart. So they're complementary. They're complementary. If you follow Dean and Tony, you can totally do this workshop, get the angel pack. Okay, you're even saving for getting to the stores and buy your art gear, your paint and your paint brushes and stuff like that. So you are all set. So whether mastermind and art venture, mandala adventure that you pick, I hope you will enjoy painting, that you post your picture and that you bring your colors to it, because you will see every mandala, it's different. You will not be painting exactly what I'm painting, you will be painting your style to recode the matrix, to recode your home, your life, reprogram your subconscious, what you see every day, what you connect with, and also to recommend. So like I was saying, I hope to do interviews, because even that with the crystal has made me think, like, as far as how to recycle our crafts into more organic spaceships and stuff like that with the organic technology. I have a whole theory about this. I'm going to make a full workshop and conference about this. Yes, on the angel pack, with the angel pack. Okay, please join us with the angel pack. It's gonna be fun. It's mostly also to have fun and create a story together. All right, happy painting. Thank you again. You will have all the information, all the options on the text here. If you have any question, please write to me or write to the mastermind if it's a technical question. We're here for you and we love you. Thank you. Bye bye.